Hi guys, it's Thursday afternoon. We're going to gym here in Mawaque, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And I will show to you what I used and how I go to gym and exercise also. So let's go.
So how long time you not been in the gym before?
That's maybe how many years also?
Few years you not been in gym.
Because I'm so busy in my work. So I try right now. But right now it's so hot here and outside. So let's go to gym.
Okay, let's go. Nighttime many stores open here. There's so many foods. But Shaira, why daytime they close? Because hot or what?
I don't know. They're not closed, just they cover only their store because it's so hot. They use some tarpaulin, you know this one, big tarpaulin.
Yes. Mawaque, Shaira, show this site.
It's
Mawaque Fitness Gym. Park. Where can park?
You can park there. So it's open from Monday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And Saturday, they're open only 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it's near school and church, and almost near also in park here in Mawaque, Mabalacat, Pampanga, where we always buy some.
We already been. We already been in this place before.
Yes.
With Georgi, and he
Yes.
tried foods. So this gym is popular gym in Mabalacat and Mawaque.
Yes.
Mawaque place.
It's popular here in Mawaque.
Not only Mawaque, in Mabalacat.
Yes. Also.
People from Mabalacat go to this gym. Okay, first we go to ask about take video because need to ask permission. It's most important if we allowed or not.
Okay.
And you can exercise.
Okay. So guys, we're here already in Mawaque Fitness. Fitness.
Yes.
So inside already. So
Monthly Shaira for girls 400 peso.
Yes, and meal is 455.
455.
So, but in daily only, it's 35 pesos per meal and then 30 pesos for female.
Yes, and 30 and for male 35. Okay, you pay.
Teka. Nagsusulat dito? Yung dalawa ba, te? Anong oras na?
340 Shaira right now.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, put in my.
No, it's mine.
Okay. Okay, now you can explain where you what exercise you use.
I just only...
And also you remove this jacket. Jacket is not comfortable here. The mirror.
You need to do that one. Take a look.
Okay, Shaira, just remove.
better for male this one.
Mhm.
Then I don't know where is my before.
But for female, Shaira, show to me.
Wait, I forgot where.
Where?
Ah, this one only. This one.
For
I
you?
used before.
Before?
Uh-huh. And this one.
Also this.
This one, 4 back.
What now you want? Which exercise you want?
And also this one. This one for legs also, this one.
Okay. Okay, you can start, Shaira. What you like?
But I need to exercise first before.
Okay, exercise.
Why I need to? So let's go. But I don't know where is better. It's painful, this one.
Okay,
You
show.
need to like this. It's so painful.
Which better for you, Shaira?
But for you also, it better.
First, I want to see.
This one. But you use it. Kuya, gagamitin mo to? Sige. Pati put some in.
Not so heavy for you.
I don't know, I will try.
Okay, you try. Maybe need remove? Okay, I will remove. You hold camera, Shaira.
That's okay.
You know how. No, one is need to more. Okay, try this.
This one. Put it.
Not heavy.
Not heavy.
My last in gym, Shaira, maybe 30 years ago. 30. Oh no.
Need to remove this one only.
Better this, Shaira. Okay, try. I tried. Whole camera, I will try. Shaira. Shaira. Leon, try. It's maybe heavy for me. Maybe.
You need to sit.
Like this?
Нет, я берца.
I also can take it. No, it's not heavy because every morning I exercise.
Maybe I put more.
I'm 80 kilograms and 18 times I can. It's okay, easy for me.
Slowly only.
For me need more heavy.
Is it good? I want if you use that one.
Move like this.
Yeah, you need to
No.
put first in the top.
Okay, cool. You can? Not heavy?
Yes.
I remove. First time is not good.
Leon, it's first time I know how. Okay?
Okay, show me another.
This one. But it's for guys.
For guy, I will try. Oh. What need how? Like this? Like this. Not heavy for me.
You want more? I will put more. Okay, wait.
No, it's okay, not need Shaira, because it's first time. No, it's good, good. If put...
For here.
No, it's good.
Good. So it's for stomach. But this one,
I don't know. Not heavy for you?
it's not heavy.
Put a cap near my back.
Do also this one. You take a look how. You do that one also.